Motorists can now get real-time information on the traffic situation in major roads in Metro Manila. This by accessing MMDA's online mobile application. Here's Bernard Tan.
The Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA is fully committed in providing quality public service and at the same time meeting with the demands of modern technology. The MMDA has always been innovating ways on how to cope up with the changes and advances in technology. In line with this, the created an online mobile application or software that will provide public information on how we can avoid heavy traffic situations in major roads within the metro. Take note, this modern mobile application is all for free and can easily be accessed by the public.
Libre po to sa lahat ng smartphone platforms, kahit po iPhone, Android, BlackBerry. So, download nyo po yun, libre po siya. Tapos pag naka-install na po siya, pwede nyo na pong malaman yung traffic situation sa 9 po na kalsada.
This mobile software is also applicable for all operating systems. The software will also explain why there is traffic congestion in certain roads. With this, we are just one click away from a personal view on the current traffic situation on Metro Manila's major roads.
Makita mo na may stalled vehicle sa isang area, meron palang banggaan sa isang area, merong rally dun sa kabilang area. So at least, hindi mo lang makikita kung kamusta yung traffic dun sa daan, kundi bakit traffic dun sa daan.
And most of all, the MMDA mobile application can be used is honest and discourteous traffic enforcers.
Kunyari may nanghuli sa'yo yung enforcer, sabi sa'yo, sir, number coding ka, ang penalty dyan, 1,000. Sabi mo, sir, teka lang, silipin ko lang sandali. Malalaman mo na 300 pesos lang pala yung penalty ng number coding. So we also see the application as a tool na hindi lang tool ng taong bayan para malaman yung traffic, kundi also a tool against corrupt enforcers.
For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.